Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Melissa Crafter and I create custom epoxy free tumblers along with other crafts. In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this cute and simple cake topper using Teck Wrap vinyl. So that is something that you're interested in, please continue watching. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Before we begin, I want to show you the vinyl that I use for this cake topper. I did use one of Teck Wrap's new glitter brush adhesive vinyls. These vinyls are absolutely beautiful. They are textured and shimmery. If you're looking for quality vinyl, definitely check out the Teck Wrap website. I do have a discount code with Teck Wrap. You can use promo code MelissaCrafter10 at checkout for 10% off of your order. I'll put the Teck Wrap website down below in the video description, and I'll also put my discount code there. Here is the one that I use in this video. It is called Swirl Marble. So here I have already cut out my decal using my Cricut Explore Air 2. I did cut this vinyl out using the textured metallic vinyl cut setting since this vinyl is textured. I'm going to go in with my Teck Wrap weeding pen and weed out the excess vinyl. So here, going in on one of the corners and beginning to remove this big piece of vinyl. This video is sped up. You do want to be sure to take your time when weeding out your decals. That way you don't remove any of the important pieces. The sizing that I did for this decal was 3.5 for the width and 2.5 for the height. So here I have my decal ready to be placed on my cake topper. Transfer tape that I'm going to be using is the Teck Wrap Yellow Grid transfer tape. It is high tack and it was specifically designed for glittered vinyl. So I'm taking a piece of my transfer tape that is the same size as my decal and then using my squeegee to press down on my transfer tape to make sure my vinyl adheres on well to the transfer tape, and then removing the backing from my vinyl. So here's the cake topper that I'm going to be using. You can purchase these on the Teck Wrap website. They have these in a couple different colors and they also have them in clear. I'll link them down below in the video description. So now taking my decal, I'm going to try to center this as best as I could on my cake topper. Now taking my squeegee and pressing down on my transfer tape to make sure that my vinyl adheres on well to the cake topper. And then I'm going to remove the transfer tape. And here I have my cake topper ready to go. I like that these cake toppers come with their own packaging. That way when I'm done customizing them, I can slip them back into the packaging and ship them out. And here is how my cake topper turned out. These were so fun to make. You can add a name to these if you want. These are so easy to customize for any type of event. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I do upload a new video every week. Thank you so much for watching.